Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Ready to permanently delete your Instagram account with the new 2025 process. Whether you are craving a digital detox or simply moving to a different platform, understanding the updated steps is absolutely key. We will walk you through the straightforward path to ensure your account is completely removed for good. This comprehensive guide makes the entire process clear and easy to follow, helping you achieve a complete and clean break from your old profile. Before taking any steps towards deletion, downloading your Instagram data is absolutely crucial. This includes all your cherished photos, videos, direct messages, and comments, everything you have ever shared or interacted with. You can easily request this data through Instagram's privacy settings. Preserving these memories safely on your device or in cloud storage ensures you will not lose anything important once your account is gone. In 2025, finding the account deletion option is simpler than before. You will need to access Instagram through a web browser on your computer or phone, not directly in the mobile app. Navigate to the specific Delete Your Account page, which is now more prominent. This direct web link streamlines the process, ensuring you can quickly and clearly initiate your permanent account removal without any unnecessary searching. Once you are on the deletion page, it is vital to select Delete Account and not just Deactivate. Deactivation is temporary, while deletion is permanent. After confirming your choice and providing a reason, Instagram initiates a 30-day grace period. During this 1-month window, you can log back in to cancel the deletion. If you do not, your account will vanish completely when the period ends. After the 30-day waiting period, your Instagram account and all associated data will be permanently erased. This means every photo, every comment, every like, and all your followers will be gone forever. Your username will eventually become available for others to claim, so there is no turning back. Make absolutely certain this is what you want, as the decision is final and irreversible once the grace period expires.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.